สวัสดีค่ะทีน่าพาทำวันนี้ทีน่าพามาเดินหมา พาหมามาเดินดูซิว่าจะมีอะไรแต่ว่าพอเข้ามาปุ๊บก็ผลปรากฏว่ามองเห็นอะไรแมปอ้าวว่ามันไว้เหรอตัวนี่น่ะเนาะว่ามันไว้แล้วมันคือมาอยู่หม่องจังสินี่แม่โอ้ยเนาะพูดนะเอ้าก็เป็นฟอสันเด็ดน่ะโอ้ยเกิดแต่เหิงล้าก็เป็นฟอแท้อันนี้ก็อีกดอกนึงตระกูลเดียวกันก็เป็นฟอฮะแดกด่างมันออกแต่เหิงออกย้ำใดบังโนล่ะเอากระเก็บคือเก้าค่ะเก็บคือเก้านี่แม่ว้ายเนาะโชคดีลองมาตัดซิขาเห็ดน่ะมันเป็นยังไงสดอยู่นะเนี่ยสดอยู่ได้2 ดอกเหลาเห็ดสีนาวบนละมัวแต่ล้ำหลายก็ได้บ่ได้มาแต่วันจันทร์คนละป้าเนี่ยแมงกับมีบัดทีนะสดอยู่ได้ล่ะเห็ดก็ได้สร้างว่าแทะไปต่อบัดทีน่ะไปต่อแล้วเบิ้งลูกก็ได้จอดเราขาเห็ดซื้อโอ้ยกะนั่งเฝ้าไปลูกไปมาตั้งเพcome on baby come on เดินต่อลูกเดินต่อ come on โอเค good boys จุดเดิมที่เคยได้อย่าเหยียบลูกอย่าเหยียบเพิ่ง อย่าเหยียบลูกอย่าเหยียบบอกว่าอย่าเหยียบมากระไดสูมาสิเหยียบเฮ็ดข่อยอย่าเหยียบลูกอย่าเหยียบมีอีกบ่นี่มีอีกบ่ดอกเดี๋ยวนอเดี๋ยวโอ้ยฮาเด็กดากอีกละต้องล้ำแล้วเนี่ยจังว่าสิได้กินน่ะเฮ็ดเนี่ยเฮ้อต้องล้ำแล้วพี่น้องเอ้ยเข้าป่ามะยางมาก็สิเหยียบเฮ็ดตัดก็บ่ได้ก็สดอยู่โทษนะคะเด้อกล่อง sorry for the camera doesn't look very good but late porcini got 3 and some bollitos there as well I don't think I will find some more but I will try definitely this one is fed up now let's give you a cuddle shall we fed up the other one is coming hello jealous hello help me boys help me let's have a look see what we can find shall we I don't know if I can be any lucky let's have a look what is that it's nothing edible okay I don't think I'm gonna find anything here no there might be a friend but not today what I'm gonna do I'm gonna hook the boys together just in case somebody turn up and I won't lose them because come here boys come here baby I'm sorry I need to hook you up okay I need to hook 2 of you up and like that. So I won't lose you, alright? Understand? Won't be long. I get bored now. Let's go. Let's go. Boys, come here. Come here, boys. I found something. บังด้วยล่ะให้ผู้ใดเตะห้อยคนเตะเอ้าอ่อนๆอยู่ห้อยคนเตะพี่มองนี่เคยได้สิเด้เทละดอกเคยได้นะเนี่ยได้อีกแล้วบัดทีนะได้อีกแล้วอีกดอกหนึ่งแล้วโอ้ได้4 ดอกแล้วค่ะเมื่อนี้ได้4 ดอกเนาะboys come here baby come here boys see I found something come here let's have a look some more shall we have a look some more see anything here no no okay in my basket where's my knife it's not very firm but I believe it's still fresh okay that's fine so what I do I leave the legs in the woods so just in case next year will come up again shall we move on boys let's have a look see what is happening I think I found something oh it's rotten okay oh I think I got something here this is the brusher but it's very small one I'm gonna have to leave it here but I take this one and finally I found one oh I found one of the beauty okay. There look wow this is a good one so far that's more into my basket let's have a look underneath the tree nothing else no okay let's put on here and then I'm gonna have to check on the roots the legs no exactly it's been out for a few days I think a couple of days should be okay on this bit boys let me pick the mushroom darling I have to throw this one again into the wood so nobody noticed that I picked the mushrooms isn't that boy that's just enough for now okay let's go let's take the picture of 2 of you ah Chunky get bored don't eat that dead stem of the woods oh dear go on then back up sit Chunky sit this is the beauty of take the dog for a walk the surrounding area in here all the woods area they don't like to get into the wood very much but here we go we've got no choice let's go I think I have found some small one another one how about this one very small very tiny why I think there might somewhere. Let's have a look. Oop. Come on. No. What are these? Wow. Oh. It's Amanita rubescens, the brusher. Wow. That's beauty. That's beauty. Wow. That's good one. Good one. Good one. They are out now, are they? That's the best Amanita rubescens I have so far this year. Wow, excellent. Best find. Oh, no. That's the best Amanita rubescens I picked so far. I think I have seen something. I have seen somebody cut the wood bullets in here. Wood bullet. There we go. Here we go. I found some. Indeed, somebody had been here. A beauty of wood bullets. Wood bullets. A very beautiful purple wood bullets. This is something that outstanding color this time of year. And this is the young one. I got 3 in this spot. Normally they come as a group. Normally they are as a group. I haven't seen any yet. So only 3 here today collection. Go in my basket. And I think I found something on here. That one. Probably this one is out yesterday. Again, still fresh. Let me cut. That's not a bad one. By tomorrow will be very, very old. So shall I put the legs back on here? So next year I know where to pick. So now also we got to cut these purple wood bullets here. Oop, sugar. There we go. In the woods. Go into my basket again, and the dog lead in here. And over there is the dog. The dogs. Hello, chunky boys. You're not very keen, aren't you? Hello, boys. They're not very keen, basically. And you, boys? Oh, well. I am. Even they're not very keen, I am very keen. It's all matter. Because I am the boss. I am the boss. I am the boss. Have a look if I can find anything more in here. In this particular spot. Nothing. Nothing. Let's have a look. Okay. Let's move on, shall we? I found 2 on Monday. A big, nice one. Just be of curious. There might be some more, you see. So today I got 1, which is not bad. Monday I got 2. And today, Friday, I got one. And that is good enough for me. No. Sorry, boys. All gone. Until next time. Until next time. So I got today, and now going home. Let's go home. Come on then, boy. Let's go home.